Hi, this video will show you how to fold a green sea turtle origami from my book, Rainforests and Reefs. So let's get started. We're going to begin by cutting out the pattern. The green sea turtle is a little bit different from the other projects because it has a head attached to the origami pattern. So be careful that you don't cut off his head. I'm going to fold up on this horizontal line A. Unfold. Then we're going to fold down on this horizontal line B. Kind of make sure when you're folding that you don't go past. See how there's a little diamond here? Don't go beyond the halfway mark of this diamond when you're folding up and down. Unfold, turn it over with the printed side facing down, and now you're going to fold the bottom corner up diagonally. Start by flattening this corner because you want a nice pointed corner right here. Then match this side of the pattern along with the edge of the origami, and then run your finger over it to flatten it nicely. So that's folding diagonally on line C. Okay, so unfold it, and you're going to repeat it on line D. You're going to start by creating a nice corner on the end, matching your edges right here, and then flattening it with your finger. Now you're going to create a nice tent water bottom base by pushing in on this horizontal line, and you'll see how the bottom of the turtle kind of collapses on itself into a nice little triangle. We're going to repeat that with the top, starting on one side, folding down diagonally. Now you see how I do my best to create a nice corner right here and run my finger over it. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to create that diagonal fold on the other side, starting with a nice clean corner, matching all my edges, and running my finger over it to create a nice fold. Now when I open it up, I'm going to push in on these side folds and collapse the top of the turtle like this. The next step is that I'm going to fold the head up. Then I'm going to fold the bottom flippers down along these diagonal lines. So do it on one side, and then repeat the fold on the other side. Okay. Turn your turtle over, and what you can do now is fold the sides in. There's one side right here and one side right here. So I'm going to open up the turtle, and I'm going to fold the side of that shell in nicely, and open the shell up again. I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Open up the turtle shell, fold along the side. See how I match all the corners with the lines? And then open up the shell again. And then you're almost there. You just need the top of the shell and the tail. The tail, all you have to do is fold down on the first line and then fold back up. So you're kind of going to create this little kind of like an accordion fold. There you go. And for the top of the shell, you're just going to tuck it underneath right here along that line. And there it is. There's a green sea turtle origami.